Hey, how's it going, guys? Jovy930 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys firsthand Jovy Systems Jovy PC Suite. This is version 1.09. Now right off the bat I want to tell you guys that this is what comes with and what's used to control my RE8500 rework station from Jovy Systems. You have the option of either using the software, or you can obviously control the machine directly from the machine itself if you want to do so, but the PC Suite does give you a really nice, easy to use interface, and makes it a lot easier to build profiles and manage things and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm using my desktop right now because the laptop is typically what I would use to run the machine, but it does not have very good capturing software. So typically if you have your machine plugged in, you're going to see the machine showing right here and it'll say connect. But in this video I'm going to show you guys in offline mode. I could still show you all the different things that you'd be able to do in online mode, but again, it's just because I'm not using it hooked up to the machine right now. So let's go ahead and open this up here. And so this is pretty much the whole interface right here. Everything can be accessed from this. This is kind of like the home section. So anyways, let's go ahead and just kind of browse through the different things. Under tools, you can do things like save. If you're trying to build a profile, if you're building a profile and you want to see exactly every climb, every second, where the thermocoupler was at, you can go ahead and save your processes, and you can go ahead and open them up right here under the process analysis. So that's really useful in terms of building a profile and wanting to see like if something's maybe not working correctly. When I was troubleshooting my machine at one point, and it was useful to be able to see all the exact temperatures and how long it took the plates to reach a certain temperature. So that's that. You do have pretty much full control of the machine. You can run the built-in external fan for the machine. You could run the suction pen pump. Let's go ahead and click on settings. Here you could just choose basic things like Celsius or Fahrenheit, and you also language. You have a couple different options there. Alright, under profiles, you have again a couple different things here. If it was hooked up to your machine, if you've created a profile on the machine, you could import it to your computer if you want to edit it or save it. And if you built one here, you can go ahead and actually export it to the RE8500. We'll go ahead and open up the profile editor so I can show you guys what that looks like. So here's the profile editor. It's pretty simple to use, actually, very easy to use. You have two different options. You can go ahead and choose standard profile, and you have the option of leaded and lead free, or you can click free mode profile, and that gives you complete control during the preheating, soaking, and reflow stage of where you want the power to be coming from. If you want it to be 100% the upper heater or 50% the upper heater, and gives you very detailed control. But for the most part, well, completely actually, when I'm building my profiles or you trying to change up a profile, I just use the standard profile, and would use, like for the Xbox, let's just say lead free. And it's really simple to build a profile with this. I mean, all you have to do is type in the preheat temperature that you want, the soak temperature. So if you can do something like preheat maybe to let's just say, for example, 120, and then you can go to soak temperature, maybe somewhere around, we'll go 160. Okay, so you have to go higher than that because it wants you to be, since it's lead free, it knows it needs to go higher. So we'll go ahead and change this up a little bit. We'll start it off at 140, then we'll go to let's say 195, and then we'll peak off at we'll just say 220 then, or let's go 225. Alright, so there you can see this is the profile. It shows you how long it'll take for it to climb to the peak and then come back down. It also, you could choose how long you want it to be at the peak zone time, because typically you don't want it to be there for just a second. You want it to actually stay at that temperature. So I typically do anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds. So you can just go ahead and hit 45, and as you can see, it extends the time a bit right there. And you can also give yourself an alarm temperature, which is, let's say, like you want, once the machine hits 200, the machine will begin beeping, so you know that you're close to the reflow temperature. You can also give yourself custom messages, and again, you can save it to the computer, export it, or you can just run this profile you just created directly onto your RE8500, which is also kind of sweet. they also have what is, let me go ahead and exit out of this. They have a profile database, which I'll go ahead and open up real quick for you guys. Hopefully it'll load up. Yeah, on Jovy's website, actually, this just links you pretty much all that button was a link. There is a ton of pre-made profiles. So like for the Xbox one, you can download like Xbox or game console, and it'll have a bunch of different ones in there. And because this machine is run 100% of these profiles are run based off the thermocouplers, these pre-done profiles have been 100% accurate for me. Like with the Xbox one, I was able to run the pre-done one, and because it's based off the thermocoupler's temperature, it guarantees that you're hitting those temperatures accurately. Again, the first few times you're going to want to watch it and make sure that there's no popcorning or anything like that, and that your the height or height of your top heater isn't too low or too high. But again, it's really nice. These are actually packs of them too. So if you were to download game consoles, there's going to be quite a few. Like I'll just download it real quick. Open it up. It has a bunch of different ones in here. You got like the PlayStation CPU, Xbox GPU, GPU reflow. Just got a bunch of different things. So that's really cool of them to have these profiles readily available for you without having to figure it out on your own. So that's that. There's also things like right here you can run a profile. Like let's say you have your machine hooked up and you just want to run a profile. You click this one, choose the profile that you've either pre-made or have one of those downloaded ones, and it'll run it instantly. And also you can run it in manual. It gives you in real time. There will be a graph right here that will actually give you in real time what's going on. You can watch it as it climbs. You can check. It comes with 2 thermocouplers when you buy the RE8500, but you can have up to 5. 2 is the minimum that you have to actually have for the machine to function properly, because it does run based off the thermocouplers. But you can click on thermocoupler 1 if you just want to watch the first one or both of them. It'll show you the time, how long the profile has elapsed. So it's really detailed. I definitely used this a lot, this program, when I was first messing with the machine and trying to get the profile working correctly for the Xbox. And then once I found the profile, which the one they had actually worked fine, but once I got that profile, I was able to just run it directly from the machine. I exported it, and I never had any issues with it since. So but all very nice, guys. I just wanted to show you firsthand that it does come with a really nice PC suite. So Jovy does try their best to make things available and in your face. This software is not complicated whatsoever. It's really self-explanatory, and yeah, easy to use. They also have a download for instructions to this, kind of showing you how to use all the basic features of it. But anyways, guys, hopefully this video was informational and helpful for you guys. I just really wanted again to show you with this machine that Jovy does, they've definitely spent some time and try to cater a nice clean interface for you to be able to use in terms of making your rework process as simple and headache free as possible. Well, if you guys are interested in finding out more, I will link you guys over to Jovy's website. I will also link you guys over to the instruction manual that will show you instructions for the machine as well as the software itself. Alright guys, Dopester930, and thanks for watching.